everyone, welcome back my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of animal. All are serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will collect all of this animal in this bucket here. So first one is here, a yellow color animal. Now I will collect this one at my bucket here. And here is a green color animal. Next one is pink color animal. This is a blue color. Here is one more green color animal. Now I take this blue color. Here is a big size yellow color animal.
Amazing!
Next one is a blue color. This is a pink color. Here is a green color. One more pink color. This is a green color. And here is a yellow color. And this is the last one, is here a pink color animal. I also collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, all of these animal collect in this bucket, and now I will go for cleaning. So friends, here is my mini pond, and now I will clean all of this colorful animal in this pond. First one is here a blue color animal. So I will clean this and introduce with you. Let's go for cleaning. Wow, friend, first one is a cheetah. I will collect this one at my side here. And next one is a pink color animal. Cleaning. Wow, this is a blue shark. And next one is here a green color animal. Wow, this is horse. Next one is here a blue color animal. Oh, this is a dragon.
Why are you here? To find water dragon?
Isn't that obvious, big guy? My girl Ryan and I are gonna fix the world.
Now I take this pink color animal. Wow, this one is a sheep. Next one is here a green color animal. Oh, rhinoceros here. Next one is a very big size yellow color animal. Cleaning. Oh friend, this is a big size dinosaur. Next one is a pink color animal. Oh, this is Chill. Next one is here a green color animal. Wow, this is dolphin.
Amazing!
Next one is yellow color animal. Cleaning. Wow, this is a cow.
Yabba dabba dee dabba.
Next one is here a pink color animal. Wow, buffalo here.
Big possums love a laugh, splash and wallow in a muddy.
Now I take this yellow color animal. Colorful dog. Now I take this blue color animal. Oh, cleaning. Wow, this is a lion. And here is the last one is a green color animal. I also clean this and introduced with you. Cleaning. Wow, this is a colorful fish. I also collect this one here. So friends, all of this animal clean and introduced with you, and you can see here all are together. So friends, I hope you interested with this video. If you interested with this video, you will subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.